Hi there, it's Amela with WTI, and if you want to keep your bread fresh and safe, this is the perfect box for you. This is the Joseph bread box with removable bamboo cutting board in the color white. This box is made of strong plastic and has a bamboo lid that also functions as a cutting board. The lid is heavy and closes the box completely, preventing bugs from getting into the box, and the bread stays very fresh. I like to keep the breads in their plastic bags so I know the expiration date of each one. But if you want, you can take the bread out of the bag and keep it in the box and it will stay fresh. So the cutting board is made of a super strong and good material. When I cut the bread, the crumbs stay on the board, and to clean it was very easy because I like to use a napkin and that's it. So if you're looking for a box to store your bread and at the same time be able to cut it on a super practical cutting board, I recommend this one. This is the Joseph bread box with removable bamboo cutting board in the color white. I really love it. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.